I bought this little, actually I didn't buy it, I traded it. I'll tell you the story in a minute. But it's a little storage thing. It's missing the drawers right now. They're just right there, but it's got a dent here. I'd like to try to deal with that. I want to try to pull these out. There we go. Okay. So that's that one out. There we go. Okay. That's the move. So put this in just like that. You know, a nice round punch. Put it in just like that. And then slide it out. With the screwdriver. This poor screwdriver. It's fine. Okay. There we go. 3. So you can see these little tab things here. Right? That's what we're fighting. So with putting the thing right here, you're basically just pushing it out of the way, and then you can pull the drawer out. It's pretty simple, but so yeah, put this in just in the center, and then push the drawer in just like just a little bit, and then push that in. Sometimes you're gonna have to whack it with something. Use your nice Craftsman vintage screwdriver. There we go. She's out. So that's all 4 of them. What I want to do, I don't know if you can tell. You can kind of see it there. There's a decent dent right here. I'd like to kind of mitigate that. Is that the word? Probably not. But I gotta find my mallet. So yeah, the dent's like starting here, and it goes all the way, like this whole area is affected. So I'm just gonna hit right here and see what happens. Can you see? It's a little bit dusty in there. Okay, now I'm gonna hit like right there. Something, anything? Put my mask here. Alright, I think we're good there. So I think what I'll do for grease this time is just one of those. Like that. There we go. That one's alright, but this one is not. Bend him back. There we go. It's 2 out of 4 done. Alrighty. That is it. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm doing it again. I'm trying to hold this. But yeah, that is it. This one's empty. Cool. Well, I think I did pretty good. What is that? I swear that wasn't there. But yeah, it looks pretty good. But that is it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. If not, whatever. But you're still watching, you might as well, you know. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye.